Hey, this is Kyler, the CEO of Morphed Tech. Today I'd like to talk to you about one of the fastest growing tech fields, voice skills. Do you have a device with a voice assistant? Think Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. We interact with them every day. They are revolutionizing the way we shop, find information, and conduct business. It's our job to make sure your business is part of that revolution. At Morphed Tech, we specialize in developing bespoke voice skills that integrate with these platforms. We give your business a voice in this digital landscape. From a simple voice command that checks inventory to a more complex system that allows customers to place orders via voice, we are ready to turn your idea into a reality. Now you might be thinking that this technology is expensive, reserved for Apples and Amazons of the world. But at Morphed Tech, we're committed to making voice skills accessible to businesses of all sizes. Instead of steep, upfront development costs with continual maintenance costs on top of that, we provide our services in a subscription model at an investment of just $99 a month. Your business doesn't have to be a giant tech company to innovate. With our voice skills development service, we enable even small and medium enterprises to take advantage of the emerging technology. Our process is fully transparent. We work closely with our clients every step of the way, keeping them involved and informed. And finally, we don't just build it and leave it. We offer support and updates to ensure your voice skill remains relevant and effective. Get in touch with us today, and let's get your business the voice it deserves.